Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn CO. It's Thursday, March 15th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. So support came into this bean market off the fact that you just have a couple private estimates that came in lower than where we've really been. So majority of private estimates have hung around that 43 to 44 million metric ton production out of Argentina, which is a big scale back on what they had last year. But now you're starting to see a couple. So we got two of them today, one at 42 and one at 40 million metric ton production. And so even worse than people are expecting. Now, time will tell. You did have some people say early yields coming in better than expected, but they didn't see the stress as much. Pretty much at this point, we're going to have to wait until we see some yields, but that was enough to gain the market's attention and gain back a little bit of that loss from yesterday. So bean market up 8.5 cents. Corn market was actually steady majority of the day, but once wheat broke, it really couldn't hold its own. It's been stuck to wheat here a little bit, so down about 2 cents. And then the wheat market, a bit of pressure there with Kansas City and Chicago down about 10 to 11 cents. Minneapolis down as well, not down that hard, but you do see some moisture working through winter wheat country, and that's what has it on edge and seeing a little bit of profit taking there. Meat market saw liquidation into the cattle market. So live cattle, feeder cattle down anywhere from $1 to $2. A lot of that coming off the fact that you just couldn't hold it together. Your rebound from yesterday, you're back down on important technical support levels. We'll have to see if those hold. And then hogs had a bit of a difference between your front month of April, finding pressure, but deferred contracts did have some support. No shocks in the outside market as you had crude slightly higher. US dollar was up 40 cents, and then the Dow market up a little bit as well. But moving forward, just not a lot of news out there. We did have export sales this morning. They were phenomenal in corn. They were very strong also into the soybean market. That was expected, but the corn was actually a shock how high it was. So you had a lot of export sales show up in that. And then the biggest thing we'll be moving forward is tomorrow after the market close, seeing what Managed Money does, as they've been such aggressive buyers, being buyers of over 300,000 contracts over the last month and a half on corn market, to see what they did from last Tuesday to Tuesday. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.